Let me show you all Game Turbo settings that we have available on OnePlus 15R. So let's go ahead and open the Game Assist panel. And now let's get right into it. So over here we have the screen brightness, which is actually locked while playing a game. I believe we should be able to tap on it in order to unlock it. There we go. We can tap on the sun icon to lock or unlock the brightness. We have the add in Game Assist. So this allows you to add the shortcut of the game or the icon into the Game Assist app, which you can find on your phone. We have the network optimization, WLAN, the bullet notifications. We have system status, which allows you to display FPS, as well as the usage of the GPU and CPU. We have a cleanup, game capture, screenshot and screen recording. We have a mistouch prevention in here. We can toggle D&D mode. We have the championship mode, which as you can see does many different things. So you can take a look right now in order to see what exactly it does. All right, let's close this. And besides that, we can also find the autoplay option, but when enabled, this screen pretty much turns dark and you cannot really see what is going on, but you can swipe over here in order to return. We can also find the quick startup, which allows the game to be running somewhere in the background. So whenever you close the game and then return to it, it's going to take less time to actually start the game. So this is helpful if you constantly exit and return to a game. We have a voice changer as well, holo audio, orientation lock, and some game filters. There's also bypass charging available, silent launch, and sound effects. We have eye comfort for gaming, cast games, and commands, and also game assistant settings in here. So as you can see, we have some additional options that we can go through. We can also customize this section, I guess, to rearrange some of these items. There we go. But as you can see, everything is added, and we can also see this media playback panel. Now on the left side, we can of course go to performance, and we can, for example, switch from balance to the pro gamer, just like that, quite easily. And of course, we have the frame rate, which can be set to original, or we can set it to hyper frame rate in here. There we go. And now, as you can see, we have even higher frame rate. We have 120 almost, even more than 120. All right. Then we have the touch control, which is standard or ultra touch. We have some network options, so we can use the standard network option or enhanced network. And that is pretty much it. We also have the My Gaming Performance section, where we can find some even more options, I assume, although it seems that no, there are actually more options, like for example, the resolution can be adjusted while playing a game. We have controls in here, where we can adjust the tap and touch sensitivity, and some other stuff. Let's see. Let me actually go back there. We have network settings. There we go. Focus settings for bullet notifications. GPU settings in here as well, where we can find MSAA, for example, the anisotropic filtering, and the bitmap LOD bias, and so on and so forth, and the texture filtering quality. So as you can see, lots of different settings that we can go through, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you're looking for more guides for OnePlus 15R, then be sure to check out my channel, leave a like, and subscribe.